Get into it. This video is sponsored by Hotbraids. Everything you may need to braid your hair. My pants so tight, and they're new. This is my first time wearing these like little slack pants. Maybe they tight on my stomach. I gotta lose some weight. Losing weight videos coming up soon. But yeah, I gotta lose me some weight. I went to the doctor the other day and I weigh 180 pounds. The most I've ever weighed in at was like 176, and that was a couple years ago. I was like, whoa, not 180. And I have 5 bundles of the afro kinky hair. I will leave a video down below of where I worked with an afro kinky type of hair like this before, and I did not wet the hair. I did see some videos and even some suggestions in my comments about wetting the hair, but I just didn't like that because you can wet it and it will supposedly help like manage the hair, but I find it easier to just work with it like this. So I'm going to do mini twists with this. You can also use this and do braids to wrap around if you was to do faux locks. Or just take a piece of hair, separate it like this, and keep adding to the twist until I get the length that I want. And here's my hair now. I'll leave this mini twist style link down below, so you can go check that out as well. I will be using the same foundation of this braid down. I'm going to keep the bantu knots in and go section for section, band for band. Because the braid down eat, the bantu knots they eat. So when I finish these mini twists, I'm putting them back in some bantu knots because baby, I got so many compliments with these bantu knots. A man even paid for my order, and I believe it was because of the bantu knots. Let me find out the natural girlies have more fun. Let me get to this video. All right, jumping right in. You know what? Let me test the waters first to see exactly how I'm going to do this. And then I can come back and explain, because I'm pretty sure how I start off will not be how I finish. But I do know I'm ready to start on this section here. I hate to take out my hair. As soon as I finish these twists, I'm putting in my bantu knots again. Like, they were just so adorable. Now, I'm not even gonna hold you. The sleep for the past few days has been a little rough. Okay, 2 rows done. I've figured out exactly how I want to do them. So this is what I'm doing here. I take the hair and I just grab a section, pull it about this size. I go ahead and pull out 2 strips like that. So I have 2 strips per twist. And then let's see here. Let's do this one. Of course, take out my mini twist, and this is the way I would take out these as well. Just pull from the middle and then undo my braid at the top. See, simple. I add a little cream moisturizer to the ends of my hair. This is just something I whipped up real quick. Honestly, I don't even know what's in it. And then I'm taking a little edge control and putting that right here on my roots. Take one piece. Go ahead and braid that down. To about there, and then I just twist. To get a tighter, more uniform twist, it's best that you twist as you go. So pretty much this hand is twisting back as this hand is twisting over. That's to get it more uniform, but with this hair, it's very forgiving. So you can just easily twist regular. And then I'm also using a little gorilla snot, like where the ends of my hair is, because it's cheaper than using edge control, and that's just where I'm at. And then I go ahead and take the second piece of hair, put that behind, and twist that right on to that twist, like that. Seamless-ish. Seamless-ish. And you see here, I just twist down regular. Because twisting as you go kind of makes my hand cramp, but I do make sure I do it up here where my hair is. Everywhere else, I'm just twisting regular. If y'all hear some commotion, it's because my man is on the game and baby, he in his zone. So I let him be. But twist that all the way down to the ends and there. So I just snip that off. And it's like, it's tight, but it's not really tight. So I'm going in with my crochet hook and just looping that once, because I like my styles to look neat and crisp. My first day, I don't want it to look like they've been in for a couple days. So that's why you see like that little separation there, because I went in and used my latch hook. So that's how I'm doing it. I love the color already. Okay, now I'm going to go through and crochet this row. Because, I mean, it looked cool like this. But like I said, I want it to look neater. And I'll pull up on the twist and then pull it through. My edges, those are fine. I didn't do these two edge twists, but I did this one. Alright, one section done. Go me. I don't know if it's me, if I got the itis. I don't know, but I'm tired and I need a nap. I'm over it. I just want to be done and do my burgundy eyebrows. Just give me the burgundy brows with my burgundy twist. Are we there yet? Oh yeah, so I'm ready to start on a new bundle. So I was able to achieve this section here plus 2 twists with 1 bundle. Now I'm ready to start on my second one. Last time I took my rows out one by one. Baby. Taking the whole row this time. And usually last time I did my twist, I went underneath like this. But this time I'm going over like this. So you can do either way, under or over. I feel like since I'm using these parts for a 3rd time, they're not as crisp as it was the first time. And then I'm still going in with my latch hook to tighten it up. Second piece of hair and get the twist in, baby. So simple. And honestly, if you just know how to twist and you don't know how to braid, you probably can put a rubber band at the base and then twist it on your hair and then pop the rubber band, so you won't keep it right there because that probably look crazy, but it'll help you if you can't braid. And then if it's loose, just go in with your latch hook and tighten it. Yeah. Stanleys are heavy. This is my first real Stanley because I done had some tumblers before. But why are they this heavy? It feel like I spent $60 on this cup. It's heavy before you can put the water in, but it's dumb heavy with water in it. I just got started and I feel like I'm ready squeezing a break already because I'm hungry. We got some leftovers. We made Chipotle bowls last night and it was so good. Who knew that their sour cream is so creamy and like liquefied like that just from them mixing it up? You use the sour cream that's by Daisy and you just whip it. That's crazy. Who knew that? Did you know that? I did not know that. And it was so good. And I bought like some lime tortilla chips. Chef's kiss. Oh, the lime set it all. Coming up on my 4th bundle here. Okay, so I only have 2 left. Yay. So I'm going to show you guys my method one more time just in case, you know, you was a little antsy and you decided to fast forward. I get it. So remove my own twist. I go in with a little edge control. A little cream moisturizer. Take my hair and I pull out 2 pieces. This is all the hair I have left from the 4th bundle. And then I'll start off with a braid. And then I split my hair up into 2. And then I twist the rest of the way. At the beginning, I do like to twist as I twist. Just make sure the twist is tight and my hair don't come out. I take a little gorilla snot, put it on the ends of my hair. Then I go in with the second piece of afro hair. And twist that on. I like to twist that as I go. Once I have secured that bad boy, and I just twist regular. Cover a little bit more gorilla snot as needed. And then I go in and just cut that off like so. And there we have it. Get into it. So adorable. Real classy. Chef's kiss, baby. I don't know why I'm in love with this style, but oh, it looks so good. It's so beautiful. I feel like a black queen. This is my favorite style. Oh me, oh my. Alright you guys, so that's all for this video. Definitely let me know what you think down below. What did you think about these mini twists? How did you like these styles? Is this a color that you would give a try? Let me know down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.